A random internet stranger told me about this trick, and it's worked for me every single time. I've had a few other people try it out, maybe like about 10 multiple times, and it hasn't failed once yet. So I'm curious if it doesn't work for anybody, just leave a comment or unlike, dislike. I don't know which one it is. Basically, you just take a fat spoon of peanut butter, not like a little kid spoon. You get like a real adult spoon, fill it with peanut butter, eat it, and your hiccups should be gone. Just one spoonful. Yeah, so let me know how it goes, and hopefully this helps some people who have issues with hiccups.